Hello everyone, this is Rashid Khan from Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Here we have to study about the chapter number 15, that is air around us. As you know, the air is very important resources or natural resources which is as important that without it the life cannot be imagined on the earth. Why? Because it is an important resources. Because of that all living beings, plants, animal and human being, all are the dependent on particular air. Why? Because in air there is oxygen that is required for the breathing purposes, as well as it is important for the respiration processes. You can say not only in that cases, in another segments of our life there will be the oxygen or air required. For more of these we'll have to continue. Here we can know there is a air present in all our surroundings. These air forms the atmosphere as well. You know, the air is found everywhere. The air is present everywhere. This air might have the different type of gases in it, but the form of air which is present in all our surrounding, that is formed our atmosphere. The atmosphere is composed of mixture of gases. The mixture of gases, on that behalf we can say it is the air. Air, that is a blanket of air that in our surrounding also called as our atmosphere. The amount of gases, the amount of air present in all our surrounding in the form of different gases. So air is what actually? Air is the mixture of gases. Mixture of gases. Why it is called so? Because of that the air can be the form of a different gases. As we know that in all our life contain or in our life processes there will be the oxygen required. In case of a human being there will be the requirement of breathing purposes, and process of respiration can held by only the air present in our surrounding in which the oxygen is required. In case of a plants, for the process of a photosynthesis there will be the carbon dioxide required, but for the respiration processes there will be the oxygen required. In case of all living being in the aqueous medium, that is in the water, there will be the also requirement of oxygen, that is in the form of a dissolved form. So we can say in all our life segment, in all our life processes there will be the oxygen required, and through which we can say these oxygen are very important for all the segment of our life. Here we know that the air that composes different type of gases. So what is the real or the exact composition of air? You can say the composition of air. Composition of air. Air, if it has 100%, so there will be if it is contains 100%, So it will be divided like this. The number of gases in it, the most gas present in abundant, that is these are present in this concern. So we can say this is all about in 100% there will be a 78% total of this gas is nitrogen. In the air there are 78% are nitrogen are present. Rest of 21% of gas is composed of what? This is the oxygen. This gas is 21%. The rest of 1% of the gas these 1% gas in which the carbon dioxide, argon, helium, hydrogen, water vapors, these are all gases present only in 1%. This can contain in 1%. So we can say that there will be the distribution of air, you can see in this regard. So this is all about the composition of air which is present in the form of nitrogen, oxygen and 1% of other gases. So in this concern we will discuss on the amount of gases present or impact of these gases in our daily life. Nitrogen, which is present in abundant in 78% of total gas or total air in the it is a very important, not only for one reason but for other reasons as well. Why? Because it is required for the nutritional requirement of plant, nutritional need for the protein required for the protein absorption. There will be need of nitrogen in plant. So the plant needs the nitrogen for what? For obtaining or for receiving the value of or the amount of protein. Next is, it is not only for that purposes, it is also required for the protecting and developing of plant body. It is also required for the industrial level, as most of the foodstuffs are packed. Foodstuffs are packed in a pocket. It is present inside the pocket, and it can remain the food material in its original form. Why? Because it could not get mixes with the food particles, but the food particle is remain fresh and as usual the flavored material. It is in original form. So this is all about that, the uses of nitrogen. The next number is of about oxygen. Oxygen is another form of the air. This can be very useful for not only in case of the respiration processes, but it is also required for the process of breathing. Not in case of animal, human, but all it is present in the form of plants, animal and human being. These are required in this concern. The next one is, it is also required for balancing the carbon dioxide and oxygen level. Carbon dioxide and oxygen level. This can be also required for the air need for plants and animal, aquatic plant and animal, aquatic plants and animals. It is also required for body regulation, body temperature regulation, body regulation or body temperature regulation. So these can have a lot of uses. In this concern, we know that oxygen is very important, not only for the such purposes, but also it is required for those who have the divers, the mountaineers, and in case of most of most of the patients that they have lack of oxygen, they could be provide the oxygen. So in the mountaineers and divers, there will be, if their required amount of oxygen is not fulfilled, so that can be fulfilled by the oxygen cylinder they can carry with them. So in these all segment we can use the oxygen. Now the third one, the other one is what? That is 1% of other gases. In these 1% of other gases, in which carbon dioxide, this carbon dioxide, it is a very important for the process of photosynthesis. Without carbon dioxide, photosynthesis could not be proceed. Photosynthesis could not be proceed. Most of the carbon dioxide which is used by plant can also be required some amount of carbon dioxide for their photosynthesis processes. In other cases, carbon dioxide is required in such an amount that could be fire extinguisher required. In case of a fire extinguisher, there will be the carbon dioxide fire extinguisher get used? Why? Because there will be the carbon dioxide required for the for producing the fire extinguisher. Next is the carbon dioxide is also required for the regulation or for the balance or maintenance of our atmosphere. Why? Because the carbon dioxide is absorbed by our atmosphere to regulate the temperature. Temperature regulation. For the temperature regulation, there will be the requirement of carbon dioxide. And other gases in which the water vapors, dust particle, these are what? These are mixed with the air, and that can form the harmful, that can be play an harmful role for the life of the human being and as well as the other living criteria. Why? Because the dust particle and the 1% of water vapor that can be adheres to one another, or the water vapors are formed when there are the number of amount of water vapors are formed. But we will discuss later about the water vapor. Before, we have to move the smoke and carbon dioxide and some of the dust particle. This could be very harmful for our health as well. So into the next video we will discuss to the next topic. Here this is all about the air.